Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with admin access. You need permission to make changes, so sign in now. Once logged in, close heavy apps to avoid conflicts. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager for a search route, or use Windows plus X to open the Power User menu. Alternatively, press Windows plus R and enter DevMint. MSC. These are the first actionable steps. Pick one based on speed. Make sure you choose the method that fits your workflow, because each opens the same tool, but via different menus. Once done with Sign In, use your chosen method to open Device Manager. If you searched, press Enter to launch immediately. If you used Windows plus X, scroll to Device Manager and click the Run command DevMint. MSC opens the same console instantly, which is useful for scripts or remote sessions. You will see a tree of device categories. Expand them to view hardware. Make sure to wait a few seconds for drivers to enumerate. Device lists may refresh as Windows checks connected hardware. Now that Device Manager is open, expand the relevant category, right-click a device, and choose Update, Disable, or Uninstall depending on your goal. Once changes complete, use Scan for hardware changes or restart the PC to apply modifications. If a device won't appear or a driver won't install, boot into safe mode and repeat the steps, or run Device Manager as administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: check Windows Update and the manufacturer driver package before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.